Freshly harvested tea leaves begin their journey from the plantation to the factory for careful processing.
The leaves are cleaned, sorted, and carefully prepared to ensure consistent quality before production. Every tea leaf is carefully cleaned to remove impurities before the quality grading process begins.
Advanced sorting systems ensure that only the highest quality tea leaves continue to the next stage.
Controlled withering prepares the leaves for their transformation into premium tea. Automated drying locks in flavor, aroma, and long-term freshness.
Precision processing transforms fresh tea leaves into flavorful tea while preserving quality and consistency.
The finished tea is expertly blended to create a consistent taste in every batch.
The finished tea is expertly blended to create a consistent taste in every batch.
After precise drying, the tea is expertly blended. We rigorously inspect every batch to ensure the highest standards. Quality is approved before packaging. Every batch is thoroughly tested to meet the highest quality standards. Rolling shapes the tea leaves and prepares them for the next critical stage of production.
After rigorous quality inspection and packaging, the finished tea is shipped to consumers around the world.
Precision packaging preserves freshness and prepares the tea for customers worldwide.